In the previous video where I spoke about where to sell your photos online, I forgot to mention that you could also sell your photos directly from your phone, and there are a few apps available for that, but the most popular photo app right now is one called Foap. And with Foap you download it, and I believe it's available both for the Android and the iPhone, and you get 50% of the sale. But you can make more money by joining what they call missions on Foap. And these missions are sort of like projects for brands and other companies. And each mission, if you are to win these missions, they pay a prize for the winning people. And it usually starts at around $50, and usually it can be a lot higher. Okay, now if you want to have success with this app, you want to analyze the photos which have already been sold. So take a look at the sold tab in the explore section of the app. I also recommend that you analyze the profiles of people who have won missions or sold a lot of photos, as they usually have a lot of good photos which can give you ideas. And lastly, you could create profile on Foap and follow people. So you can follow other photographers and they could follow you, and you guys could share tips with each other and be more successful in the long run.